Hey guys, somebody asked me to show how to add liquidity for Eureka on Uniswap, and then there's also Sushi. Let's see which was the other one. Okay, we'll start with Uniswap. If you want to add liquidity, swaps. What you want to do is come up to pools. No, we're going to change that. Change MetaMask. Okay, give me a. Okay, we'll go back into the group and we'll go to Uniswap. There's the link that I posted. You can just click on that. Should take you straight into that pair. And if you're not on that pair, you just want to click on pools. Change, yeah. Your positions, Okay, new position. So you go pools, new position, select token, come up here and just either type in ERK and it'll come up right there. Or if you really want to make sure you have the right token, make sure you copy the contract address out of your wallet on Polygon Scan. Come over here and you can paste that in there as well. ERK will come up. So you click on ERK. So the pool's already there. If you want to add liquidity, then you just come down and MATIC ERK is the pair. So you would just hit 1, 10, 100, whatever you want to put in there. In this wallet, I don't have that balance, but if you do have the MATIC ERK in there, right now it's 1 ERK 230. So let's say you wanted to put 10, which is less than $10. It's about $8 worth right now. Then you would actually over here, you would hit enter. So it's going to give you, when you click that, if you need to have the funds in your wallet, otherwise it's not going to accept it. So if I just go back out, it'll say preview first. It'll show you, and then you can hit add. Waiting for confirmation. Now it's going to ask your MetaMask. If you want to sign that, you would confirm. Yeah, and that, my friends, is how you add liquidity. So if you want to add some liquidity on those pairs in Uniswap, that's how you do it. And after you do that, you go back to pools and it'll show you your positions you have. And there you go. That's it.